Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing great. So in the previous session from day 1 to day 6 we had covered most of the basic requirements for the people who are completely beginner for the spoken English sessions. So we had covered all the grammatical things starting from the parts of speech and the tenses, okay, voices, active voice and passive voice, direct to indirect speech. Yeah, so if you haven't referred them, so please go back and refer D1 to D7 sessions, okay? And then you can get back to the session. So we have also covered one of the regional language, that is Kannada. So the same sessions have been repeated in Kannada language. So if you're from the Kannada background, so please go back and again refer the same sessions. And once you refer that, you feel quite easier to adapt to this particular sessions which are completely in English. Okay, so here I am trying to have a live experiment with these sessions where I'm considering a student who is completely new to the English, who just know how to write and read, and he is quite uh, and he doesn't know how to make the sentences in short. Okay, he's a complete beginner, we can say. And he has referred my sessions from day 1 to day 6, and he started using this Duolingo app as per his communication level. So yeah, so we'll be taking him into account, and we'll be having all the live experiments on him, and after 15 days we will see how exactly he has improved himself. So that is what we are going to test it live, and these sessions will definitely help people who are watching this, because they will be the students exactly like him or better than him. So they can compare what exactly is going on with him, and then they can also improve themselves. So that is the whole motto of these sessions in short. So this is a kind of live experiment on a person who doesn't know anything at all in English. He's just a individual who has basic understanding of English, and we are trying to make him a professional who could speak English fluently. Okay, yeah. Along with that, we'll also introduce this particular Duolingo app, so which is completely free. Okay, and we'll show you how to set up for yourself. So if you have covered day 1 to day 6 sessions, so you can choose only English as your a language to begin with. Okay, so if you want to choose some Kannada is not available actually, so you can even choose Telugu, Tamil, and Hindi, and Bengali, and other regional languages also if you want. But we would recommend you to choose only the English as a preference, so that you can have the direct touch with English instead of the regional language combination, so that you can even improve your fluency as well as accent. Okay. So in this agenda, we'll be taking these two into account. Along with that, you could see we'll see how exactly you people can introduce yourselves to others, and how we need to have the day-to-day conversations, and how we need to greet the people, and how we need to ask the questions to the people. Okay, so the basic questions, what exactly we need to ask, and how do we need to implement in our day-to-day conversations. Okay, this is what the topic for the today. So let's start with this. Well, when it comes to first thing, the common greetings. Okay, so when you would like to greet someone, so if you want to start the conversation, this is the basic foundation for each and every one. So these are the common greetings. Let's say when we have the situation, the formal greeting in English. So that is good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, and even you can say good night. Yeah, so these are the formal greetings. Yeah, we have informal greeting, that is hi, hello, hey, and then asking how they are is like how are you, how's it going, then responding back like I'm good, thank you, saying goodbye like goodbye, see you later, take care. In short, I'll just try to give some example, but it's just taking these into account, making simple conversation here. Hey, hi, good morning. Hello, good morning. How are you? Yeah, I'm good. How are you? Yeah, I'm good too. Thanks for asking. Well, see you later then. Take care. Bye. Yeah, so likewise, you can start the conversation and you can end the conversation too. I hope it is clear for you guys. The basic introduction. So, this is a beginner level script. You people can use it wherever you go and if you want to introduce yourself. Okay, good. See the script here. First thing is you can just start with hello, my name is dash dash like Guri or Shri or whatever it is. And then I'm 29 years old, and then you can have I come from a city, okay? And then you can mention a city name, and then I live in this particular place. You can just have the place name, okay? And then you are a student or you're working, or you can just tell whatever it is, okay? I'm a student and I'm learning English, or I'm a working professional, I'm working as a software developer, yeah? And then my hobbies are playing cricket, reading books, you can just mention, and then yeah, nice to meet you, or else that's all about me. This is how you can just use this basic script to introduce yourself. Okay, so now I'll just give an example for this. You could see this is the example. Hello, my name is Shri, and then I'm 29 years old. I come from India. I live in Bangalore. I'm learning English. Actually, I'm a student. Yeah, and then my hobbies are reading and playing cricket. Yeah, and that's all about myself. Nice to meet you. Okay. For example, if you want to just convey the same message in a professional way, you can just repeat after me, or you just listen to me once and then you can just try the same. Hello, my name is Sridhar. I'm 29 years old. I come from India. I live in Bangalore. Uh, I'm basically a student and I'm learning English. My hobbies are reading and playing, reading as well as playing cricket. Nice to meet you. Yeah. So this is how you need to have the conversation. Okay. Okay. So as I told, I'm doing a live experiments on one of my student. I would like to just give a brief about him. So he's a diploma graduate. He did his mechanical engineering in 2017, and then after that he joined one of the automotive industry. uh, yeah, and then after a couple of years he just changed his domain to again a banking domain, so where he just worked for again 3 to 4 years. Yeah, after that he decided to again come back to the same industries, that is engineering domain, so where he needed to improve his communication skills. So yeah, so for that he's back again. He has referred my day 1 to day 6 sessions on the basics. Now I'm trying to take him into account for this live session. So where right now he's going to just talk, and then we'll see how exactly his pronunciations are and how he is speaking, how we need to improve his fluency. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Amar, you need to refer the script and you need to introduce yourself. Okay. Over to you. You can speak now.
Hello, my name is Amar. I am 27 years old and I come from India and I live in Bangalore and I am learning English and my hobbies are reading and driving. Yes, and nice to meet you.
Yeah, thanks, Amar. This was a nice introduction. So you need to be more proficient while speaking. So I could see you're trying to read it instead of speaking. So that is what the comment I could give you. So let's say if I start again, for example, hello, my name is Shri. I'm 29 years old. I come from India. I live in Bangalore. I'm learning English. My hobbies are reading and playing cricket. Yeah, nice to meet you. So this is how you should speak. Okay, and then your voice should be loud and it should be clear, and it shouldn't be like you're reading it. You should speak. Okay, you're getting it right. So now you try again. So let's see.
Hello, my name is Amar. I am 27 years old. I come from India. I live in Bangalore. I am a student. I am learning English. My hobbies are reading and driving. That's all about me. Nice to meet you.
Okay, nice try. Yeah, but as a beginner, I could expect the same. So you're doing good. So you need to improve your fluency a lot. You're still you're reading it, so that's not the case. So what I'll do is in the next session, I'll be just asking you the same introduction to you. So you need to present yourself. Okay. Again, I'll be asking few questions. So you need to yeah, repeat the same, present the same. So with proper fluency. So that's the task for you. That's fine, right? Okay then. So let's move on to the next topic. Let's focus on the next thing. So next thing is, let's say if a person A would like to speak or he wants to ask something. So at that time he might ask you like, "Hi, what's your name?" Okay. Like if you're a beginner, like if you're a regional language person, so at that time your accent will be completely different. So like you can speak like, "Hi, what's your name?" So this will be completely fine for me. But when it comes to professionality, or if you would like to sustain in the current industries, okay, then you should speed up and you should try to improve your accent. I'm not saying my accent is 100% accurate, because not everyone is perfect. So at least you can try, right? So if you're feeling that your accent is very different and it is not as per the expectation, it could improve somewhat, in short. Yeah. So now the person A is asking, "Hi, what's your name?" So yeah, how you gonna answer for him? You can just tell, "Hello, my name is Shri. What's your name?" Right? "Hello, my name is Shri. What is your name?" You can ask like that also. Yeah. So this is how you can just have a conversation with any of the uh, colleagues or friends or unknowns, whoever you meet, right? So this is the way to start your conversation. "Hi, what's your name?" So you can simply ask, or someone, if someone asks you, and then you can just tell, "Hello, yeah, my name is Shri. By the way, what's your name?" Yeah, like that you can ask. "Hey, hi, I'm Shri. You?" "Hi, hi, I'm Giri. Nice to meet you." "Yeah, nice to meet you too." Okay, so basically, where are you from? "Yeah, I'm from Bangalore." "You?" "Yeah, I'm from Bangalore too." "Where exactly in Bangalore?" Near to Jayanagar, 4th T block." "Oh, great. I stay in Whitefield." "Yeah, yeah, that's good." "Okay, let's catch up then. See you later. See you, bye." That's all. So, like that, you can just start your conversations. Or else, if you're a student, then you can start again. "Hey, hi, I'm Shri. How are you?" Okay, "What are you doing?" So, yeah. So, morning, I had breakfast. In the breakfast, this was it. And then I liked it. And then you can ask, "So, what you had?" And then he will tell something. Like that, you can start having the conversation. So, these are the pretty simple examples for you guys to initiate the conversations. So I would recommend you people to do the same, okay? So don't worry about your grammar, don't worry about your fluency, just show what exactly is coming from your mouth is sufficient at the moment. Okay? So and later after 15 days, as per this schedule, it is 15 days for you, it might be 2 months or 3 months. Don't worry. So you will see your how much you had improved, okay? Don't worry about it. Okay, I have a couple of tips for you guys. The first thing is speak slowly and clearly. Okay, if you're a beginner, speak slowly and clearly. Very important, because sometimes while speaking you might miss the words only, okay, that people can't even understand. Sometimes with respect to your regional language, we might misspell, okay, or sometimes we say something Rama or Guri. So sometimes some people can't hear what exactly you say. It is not that clear. Okay, so for that, try to speak slowly and clearly. Make the pronunciations properly. Very important. So while speaking, the second point is while speaking, smile. Okay, very important. So which will help you to boost your confidence. Next thing is very important. Practice every day. Consistency matters. Even it is 5 to 10 minutes is fine, but if you're referring this session, if you're listening to me, I recommend you to practice at least 1 hour hardcore practice per day. Okay, you should use Duolingo and you should sit in sit in front of a mirror, try to speak, check your fluency. Yeah, very important. And you could see I had again mentioned the same point here. Use a mirror to watch mouth movements and improve the pronunciation. Very important. So how you're speaking, so how your lips are moving, yeah. So how you can just improve your accent and the pronunciations, so that you can just test it yourself. Very important, okay. Even I suggested my student the same because initially he was facing difficulties in introducing himself. So I told him to go stand in front of the mirror, speak it, record it, and just listen by yourself. Then you'll see what exactly you're speaking. And then you compare that with the person who are speaking fluently. Then you'll understand where exactly you're standing. And then you improve your speech. You can just by heart it for the first time. Let's say we have the example here. Okay, initially you might speak like, yeah, as my student said, hello, my name is Shri. I am 29 years old. I come from India. I live in Bangalore. I am learning English. My hobbies are reading and playing cricket. Nice to meet you is also fine. Initially, you definitely had done at least 10% of what exactly I just spoke now, correct? So, if you feel like you're doing the same, stand in front of the mirror, practice it. Until and unless you get that fluency that at least you can satisfy yourself, this is fine for me at the moment. Okay, how to improve it is the question. So people will tell that okay, you told me to stand in front of the mirror and speak something, but how can I improve it is the question. For example, here I'll just give you the quick tip. Okay, so let's say here we have hello, my name is Shri. Instead of that, hello, my name is Shri. So start with the high tone. When it comes to the full stop, just end it with the low tone and finish it up there. For example, here the second sentence. I'm 29 years old, right? I'm 29 years old. Instead of I am 29 years old. Instead of that, I'm 29 years old. I come from India. I live in Bangalore. I'm learning English. My hobbies are reading and playing cricket. Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Right? So like that, you try to complete the sentence. Start with the high pitch, then end with the low pitch. Yeah, very important. You wherever you're going to stop your sentence matters a lot. Okay, let's say my hobbies are reading and playing cricket. Instead of that, my hobbies are reading and playing cricket. Fine, right? So I'm just fluctuating my pronunciations and accent. Okay. Yeah, so I hope you got it how to improve your pronunciations as well as the accent. Okay, let's go for the next slide. How we need to greet and use the polite expressions. For example, use of English greetings. First, we need to greet someone. We just say hello or hi. It's fine. So morning greetings, everyone knows it. Good morning, afternoon, good afternoon. Before going to bed, you can go ahead with the good night. So everyone knows it, but try to use it. If you doesn't even know a single word in English, please say good morning, good afternoon, good night to people. There's no harm in telling it. Okay, you won't lose your gold or you don't lose your property if you say these three greetings to your colleagues or unknowns also is fine. Okay, next, ask how someone is. How are you? Yeah, try to use it. Hey, hi, how are you? That's fine. One more addition then. Respond it politely. Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. Correct. When meeting someone, nice to meet you, we can tell. Yeah. Then polite request, please, you can ask. You can tell, please. Okay, give it to me. Please sit down. Yeah. Next, show gratitude. Thank you. Thanks. Very important. So wherever you get the opportunity, use this gratitude. Thank you. Thanks. Yeah. So let's say someone drops you, you can tell, yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. And then you're welcome. So if the person needs to respond to that, you can tell you're welcome. Someone say thanks to you, then you can tell, yeah, welcome boss. No issues. Yeah. Then if you like to say sorry, you can say sorry in short. So many, yeah, n number of times I had said sorry, even though I didn't make the mistakes. This is very important to say sorry. Yeah. So you feel sometimes you might not have done anything, so then also to convince them, to make them at least to reach a particular level, so say sorry so that they can speak comfortably with you. Okay, the ego matters a lot. So if you're working professional, so have a habit of saying sorry. Fine. And then if you want to get someone's attention, let's say if your colleague is working or you're a student, someone is doing something, that time if you want to ask something, you can just tell him, excuse me, will you please stand aside? Yeah, you can ask like that. Excuse me, I have a couple of queries. Could you please help me out with this? Fine. So this is how you can use this greetings and the polite expressions. Fine. Okay. So next, at home, if you're there, so how do we need to use these words? So let's say, for example, you might be hungry. You can just tell them, if you want to eat something, I'm hungry. If you're uh, if you want to drink something, you can just tell, I'm thirsty. If you need rest, I'm tired. Call to eat, let's eat. Come for the breakfast, come for the lunch, come for the dinner. Fine. Give a polite instruction, that is, please turn off the light. So while sleeping before going to bed, we tell that please turn off the light. Uh, Say before sleeping is, I'm going to bed. Good night. Okay. So this is commonly used words or the sentences or the clause we can say. Yeah. So try to use them. I'm hungry. Or else if you're in a home, if your parents or your friends know somewhat English, then you can tell, hi bro, I'm hungry. Fine, no issues, speak. So he will feel like you're showing attitude and also, but never worry about that particular things. Just try to speak in short. Yeah. Next, if you go to the shopping, that time you can try these words. If you want to ask the price, then go for, how much is this? What's the price of this? Is fine. I want this. Okay, and then you can just tell the person that I need this, a shopkeeper. Okay, and then, can I help you? And then, I'm just looking. Casual shopping. So if someone asks you, so if someone comes and shopkeeper comes and tell, can I help you? No, no, I'm just looking. No worries, thank you. That's fine. I need a bag. So while going, if you don't have a bag, so you have purchased a lot of things, then that time you can ask, I need a bag, please. Fine. I hope you got these simple clause and the greetings and the questions, how you need to use it in the day-to-day conversations. Now, if you're in a class, you can try these. So let's say if you want to go inside the school, you can just tell that, may I come in, please? And then can you repeat, please? So if something is not understanding for you, then you can ask, can you repeat it, please? And then you can tell, like, I don't understand. Could you please repeat this? What does this mean? You can ask this. Okay. How do you say this in English? Okay. If you're a regional language Kannada medium student, then you can ask this. Please speak slowly. Okay. And then I'm learning English. Self-introduction. Daily routine. So if someone asks you about the daily routine, you can just simply tell like this. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I go to work or school, and then I eat lunch, or I will have lunch at 1 p.m. Then I will go home at 5 p.m. I go home at 5 p.m. also fine if you're telling someone. So that should be in present tense also. And then even you can use future tense, no issues. I watch TV in the evening and then I go to bed at 10 p.m. This is what my daily routine is. So try. This is easy, right? So if you want to tell your daily routine to someone, so you will wake up, have lunch, you will have dinner, evening will do some things like going for the walk or watching TV or reels, right? Yeah, likewise you can just introduce yourself with whatever they're looking for, the daily routines if they ask. Yeah, you can add your like day-to-day work also into this. I hope it is clear for you guys. And the next one is talking about yourself with more detailed explanation here. So let's see. If you want to just go ahead with introduction, so you can start with your name. You can just add your my name is, and I'm Sridhar, I'm Girish, like that. Okay, age is optional. If you want to tell your age, you can tell I'm 20 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Bangalore, or I'm from India, or I'm from Pakistan, or I live in Lahore, like that. You can just tell I'm from Pakistan, I live in Lahore, like that. Yeah, and then your job, what you do is important. I'm a student, I'm a working professional, also fine. I'm a teacher. If you're just learning English also, you can just tell that. Yeah. About your family also you can tell. So there are 5 people in my family. I have one brother, one sister. My father is a doctor. My mother is a housewife. Yeah. So like that you can add everything, and then hobbies and interest also you can add it. Very important. I like reading. I like playing cricket. I like listening music. In my free time, I watch movies. I scroll reels. Fine. Daily routine also optional. If you want, you can add it up. And then your goal. I want to speak English fluently. That's also fine. I want to be a doctor. I want to be an engineer. I want to be a trainer. Fine. Closing the line is important. That's all about me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. It's fine. Nice to meet you doesn't matter here. So if you want to close the line, so that's all about myself. Thank you. That's fine. So this is how you can just customize your introduction. Okay, very important. So I would recommend you to just take a note, write it down as per your family and your work and the location where you stay, and then your daily routines and the hobbies and your goals. Then the closing line, and then practice it, repeat it, mug it up, stand in front of the mirror, speak. Okay. Well, so now this is a simple example again. Let's just try. I'll just go ahead with this sentences, and then you repeat the same whatever you have written it. Okay, you can pause the video and just try to make your own introduction and then speak. Okay, let me start. Hello, my name is Shri. I'm 29 years old. I'm from Bangalore. I'm a student and I'm learning English. I live with my family. I have 2 brothers. I like drawing, cooking, and watching TV. My dream is to become an engineer. Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you. Got it? So, like that, you need to introduce yourself. Okay, so let's try this with my student who is there. So, he will try to introduce himself. Okay, let's give it a try. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello, my name is Amar. I am 26 years old. I am from Bangalore. I am a student and I am learning English, and I live with my family, and I have a brother, and I like reading and playing cricket. My dream is to become a trainer. That's all about me. Thank you.
Yeah, a nice try, Emma. It's a good one, but the thing is, you need to still improve a lot when it comes to fluency while talking. Okay. So as I said, in the next session, I'll be coming back again with the same intro. So you need to present yourself. So I think you might have improved it by that time. Okay, let's focus on the questions. So I'll ask few questions and you try to answer the same. Okay. The first question is, what's your name?
My name is Amar.
Where are you from?
I am from Karnataka.
What do you do?
I am a student.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Watching movies.
Tell me about your family.
My father is a teacher and mother is a housewife, and I have a brother. Brother is an engineer.
What is your dream job?
My dream is to become a trainer.
Why are you learning English?
I want to improve my communication skills.
Yeah, good job, Amar. So you tried to answer the questions, but I still couldn't find that fluency in your communication. So please, when it comes to the next session, I would strongly recommend you to practice these questions, how to answer them, how to speak, how to try to add the formal fluency into your communication would be my recommendation. I hope you're going to do it. In the next section, you're going to present the same. That's fine, right? Okay. Well, so I would like to introduce an application that is Duolingo, which you people can download it via Play Store. Okay, so this tool will help you to practice the English grammars as well as the basics and day-to-day conversations. As per your need, you can customize this tool. Okay, and this tool is free of cost, and you don't need to pay anything here. And there are some paid subscription is available, so if you want to go for that you can go ahead, but I would recommend you to use it for free because the thing is this tool has 5 refills. So let's say if you make some mistakes, let's say 5 mistakes, and then it will be stopped for that day, and if you'd like to practice more, then you should fill that hertz in chart. Okay, you should refill it. So for that, either you can go for the paid version, or else you can watch the ads which it is popping up, and then again it will be refilled, or you can get 2 or 3 hertz, so that again you can practice it. Okay. Well, likewise you can use it. So what I'll do is I'll just take you through how exactly you need to set it up and download it, and as per your need and your the level of the grammar and the level of your English speaking, as per that you can set it up. I'll take you through the video here. Let's try to install it and set it up. So I'll simply play the video and I'll just activate the laser here for information. So you can go to Play Store, and then you can search for the app name, that is Duolingo. So once you have it here, you could see this is the application, so you can download it. This is the app. Yeah, so you can just get started with this. So here it will show Duo, and then you can continue here. Then it will ask you quick questions. There are 6 questions. So first thing it will ask you, what would you like to learn? So for Hindi speakers here, we have the English on the top. So you can just select it. We have again Tamil and different language. So now it will switch to Hindi because I had preferred the Hindi speaker here. Okay. I'll do the same. So if you are Tamil, Telugu and different Bengali, so you can even refer that. So it will change to the same language. Okay. So what would you like to learn here? So I would like to learn Hindi. So it is written आप क्या सीखना चाहते हैं. Okay. So French, German, okay, everything you can learn. English, German. Yeah. So I'd like to learn English here. I can choose it. So I'd like to go ahead with this one. So what I'll do is instead of taking the Hindi as a first language, I'll consider English as a first language. Okay, I'm out now. I'll just again shuru kare in the sense I'm starting again. So hey, hi, I'm Dio, it is showing. So now it will again ask the same 6 questions. I'll just go ahead with this one here, and not for the Hindi, not for the Bengali or Telugu or Tamil. So I'll directly go for the person who is a intermediate English person. So he knows the English somewhat. So English to English. So select this option. Yeah. So once you set it up, so everything will be changed to English. Okay. Now from where did you hear about Duolingo app? So now you're referring my YouTube. So just take it as YouTube. Fine. So now, yeah. How much English do you know? So you can set it to I'm new or I know some common words. I can have basic conversation. So from these three, top three, can choose anyone. So I would recommend you to go ahead with the basic conversation. So I can have basic conversations. It is quite difficult for you at the moment in the beginning. So but yeah, I would recommend to take this one. No issues. Now, why are you learning it? So for career, to connect with the people, anything is fine. So I would like to select here to boost my career. You can even select the connect with people because people face difficulties in connect with the people only. Well, so again, let's set up your learning routine it shows. So here, what's your daily learning goal? So I'd like to select 30 minutes per day hardcore routine. So in short, it's 100 words in first day. Yeah. So again, it will ask you for the widget. So it will just show you the streak and it will remind you where you're standing or if you're losing a streak so that you can set it up. Yeah. So now this is what it is. So what can you can achieve in 3 months? Here are first 2 minutes lesson for you. So just have a quick look into it. It's asking. So solo means alone. So what exactly solo mean here? Yourself, your friends. It should be yourself. Yeah. Next. I usually travel solo because I don't like to travel with dash people.
People. Planes take
Next
off
one.
and leave one
What does
airport.
land mean here?
A few
Plane
hours
takes
later,
off.
they land at
Few
another
hours later,
airport.
land another. So here it should be a plane to arrive, right? It's not for a car to leave. Okay.
When does our flight
Next
land?
one. What does our when does a flight land? Well, we will be in New York in 40 minutes. So this is the relevant, right? So you can just select the first one because second one is not at all relevant.
When you do something for the
So here.
first time, you have never done it before that time.
So answer should be yeah. Here I'm traveling solo for the first time. I'm very
Excited.
excited.
Are you traveling to the US for the first time?
What should be the answer? Yeah, correct.
A traveler is a person who travels.
What does traveler mean? Should be someone or somebody who takes the trips, right? The second one.
How many countries have you been to?
How many countries have you been to? Not many is the right one. Yeah. So here dash the
Plane.
picture shows plane. 10 rows.
My daughter is a traveler, too. She visits a new country every month.
Yes, this is the question here. So how much? So it is again indicating the bag should be
Heavier.
adjective heavier,
Do
right?
you only have this small backpack?
Answer should be the first one.
Travelers need trains and hotels. Travelers need trains and hotels. Train and hotels.
Our flight lands at 3 o'clock, right? Flight lands at 3 o'clock, right? Our flight lands at 3 o'clock, right?
Yeah, so you could see the review here. So this is the session. So what and all you have completed the streaks and all and the XPs, so it will show. Yeah, so likewise it will show all the 7 days. You can follow the streaks. It will be nice for you people, okay? So it will again asking you for the streak goal, so you can set 50 days. So yeah, it will, yeah, you can set it anything. So it will ask you for the profile, so don't create it now, you can skip it, later on you can create your one. So now could see, so this is the first lesson, discuss traveling solo, and then so a lot of topics will be there. So depending upon that, you need to take the sessions, so unit wise, so a lot of units will be there, and you don't need to follow the like about the series. Okay, you can jump to any of the units and you can take it up and you can finish it off. It depends upon your interest. Okay, so yeah, so you could see we have a lot of units, so I'll just simply scroll it down. Let's see how many are there. There are a lot. I could see 39, 40, 50, 51. Oh, so there is a section 2 after this. So yeah, section 2 might be locked because until and unless you complete 75% or 60% of the session, you can't jump to the section 2. Yeah. So likewise, I think you can take up these units and practice them daily. You try to complete as much as possible so that you can learn the English, okay, with proper fluency. This is about the hertz, what I was telling, right? So yeah, so by just playing the ads, you can just refill it. If you want, you can go for the paid version. That's all your choice. Well, so this is how you can just install this app and start using this app. So yeah, I recommend you to use it daily, at least 1 hour to 2 hours. So whenever you get the free time. Yeah, so well, that's all about the session. So we had covered all the basic requirements. So how to introduce yourself. So greetings. So we had seen one of our student who is completely a beginner. So we just told him to speak, introduce himself. So we had seen his proficiency level now, and after completing 15 days, we are going to lively see his progress, and then we are going to validate our session. So based on his particular learnings, we can rate our YouTube. Yeah, so that's all. Thank you guys. See you in the next session.